Warren Buffett just explained why he prefers stocks over real estate. But what if the Oracle of Omaha missed something crucial? Buffett recently explained that stocks are easier to buy, sell, and diversify than real estate. And he's right about that part. But here's what many people overlook. Stocks can go to zero overnight. Companies fail, markets crash. Your portfolio can vanish. Look at this chart from Reza Club. In just the first 50 months of the 2020s, home prices are already up 47.1% nationwide. Real estate has consistent decade-over-decade growth. This chart shows home prices grew 30.1% in the 90s, 47% in the 2000s, even with the crash, and 44% in the 2010s, even during the 2008 housing crisis. The market fully recovered and continued its upward trajectory. Try finding a stock that reliable. Leverage in real estate builds wealth differently. When you put 20% down on a home, you control 100% of the appreciating asset. A $1 million home in San Diego that follows last decade's growth pattern could be worth $1.5 million in 10 years. Yes, Buffett is right that stocks are more liquid, but in a world where companies can disappear overnight, remember Lehman Brothers? Something must be said for owning a tangible asset that people need. Share this with a friend that's waiting for the perfect time to buy.